All right, my respected colleague, let's keep this under 3 minutes this time. Hey, so what we're just going to explore is assuming you know the stuff about Scepter Club and that we're making the game faster of D&D by doing techie stuff and arty stuff. One of the techie stuff is using randomness to create a new character. And I've already completed this part of my auction contract, which is too many things to talk about right now. But basically, let's just talk about how Chainlink enables some magic stuff for a blockchain that normally struggles to know what's going on outside of it, and randomness is very hard to generate. I don't know if there is a way to generate good randomness because a node that's running that code could just predict the outcome and make decisions based on that. So it's hard to write secure code without using something like VRF. And Chainlink has a new VRF, so this time I learned all about upgrading that, and they changed the number of bytes in the thing. And the aggregator, this is for the price feed, so it aggregates different sources of price on Polygon in this case. Looking at link to USD, I had to do a lot of math translating the certain number of decimal points. That's a tricky spot. And I'm subscribed for the VRF. So there's a smart contract that they've deployed that I've added. I've deployed that smart contract and funded it. Yeah, but through their factory, and then added my deployed contract as a consumer. So after I deploy my contract, I get the address, put it in there. So that's kind of how the Chainlink works under the hood. But what it's doing, or in the code, that is, what it's doing is it sets this information up and then has a quick function to get the latest answer. This is free. This is the math to get the cost and do all the different decimal point stuff. The I have some external contracts that are just names, backstories, classes, and this is the main function that the first you call for when it's ready. You call, when you've added these contracts, you can call this create character, and you self see the result, which is it sends your player name in, and then a few seconds later, this is called by the Chainlink VRF coordinator, and you get a random number saved in there and then a random class, and then you finalize it and all the other math is done. Yay, Chainlink.